What are you doing there? What are you doing there, Calyx? Calyx! Calyx ba?
Don't throw the water. Calyx is playing with the water.
Yes, he's playing with the water.
Don't play don't
Ba!
play with the water.
It's okay.
I'm gonna get you!
No. Get it close, right?
You like playing with the water?
Calyx is freezing the water.
Yes, whoops.
Stop freezing the water.
You're racing the water daw. Enough na.
No,
That's it.
that's enough.
Me naman.
You naman, you're too big.